easily create a new account. Use the wizard to set up your company. Pair your phone with the account for login. Set up groups and policies. Invite users individually or as a batch. Finally, set up your SSO. Here's an example with one login. To connect your account to one login, just copy and paste a few fields. You are all set. Now users can accept their invites and set up their ID, email, phone number, and selfie. The admin can approve the new IDs or have it done automatically. The user can now log into their corporate systems by just scanning a QR code. For each group, the admin can change the authentication requirements. There are always 6 factors that can apply. You can also set 1 or more locations where users can log in from. All message exchanges are digitally signed and encrypted. There are no man-in-the-middle attacks. With facial recognition, you can ensure that a real person is authenticated and not just their device. Users can also log in by clicking a button and don't always have to scan a QR code. You can modify a geolocation as needed to keep users inside or outside of 1 or more locations. Now the users can be blocked from logging in using their phone's GPS for geofencing. The admin can also revoke access for a user or enable their access